Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and part 2 of my hair series. So in today's video, I show you how my dye turned out, and I also kind of show you guys how I do my washing routines, what products put in my hair and basically how I do it. This video is a voiceover because when I shot this, Tati was asleep. I didn't want to wake her up. So I feel like without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. The first things that I do if I hurry up and do it, thank you, I go ahead and I take off that shit off my head because I don't need any more. We're done with that. And then you can see the very yellow blonde to orange that my hair has become. I take out that ponytail and now I'm going to split my hair in 4 sections. Low key, like me in the video and me right now are the same person because I feel like I'm the same tired as me in that video. She is me literally. Then from that video yesterday, if you saw it, of course, Tati had broke one of my hair clips, so now I'm working with 3 hair clips, but that's irrelevant. Now I spray my hair with water, because I don't do anything with my hair if it's not wet. Go ahead and rake through, get that all damp, moist if you must. And then we're going in with Aunt Jackie's Quench. That's all I can see right now. I'll put the products on screen and we're just gonna go ahead and rake it through my hair, getting all them kinks out because I did not wash my hair last night. Well, the night that I did this, I just washed it and went. I was tired. Then we're gonna go in with I think Cantu. Ooh, look at me leaving. Of course, has them out. Same thing. Go ahead, rake it through. Ooh. Now I'm going in with some hair soak stuff. Of course, everything will be on screen and in the description below. Same process, just raking it through. I do that dumb dance the whole video. Then I'm going in with Don't Shrink, I think flaxseed gel by Aunt Jackie's, taking tinier sections of my hair. Don't have a clip, so I gotta use another clip, and we're just going to put some gel on my hair, clump my hair together. It's actually the first time that I've actually cared about hair definition. Usually I just let my hair fro out, but I was like, you know what, let me it's hanging kind of, let me try to make it cute. So get the gel, put it on my hair, and I got this little brush from Five Below, and that was my little faux diamond brush, I guess, whatever. And I was just brushing it through, and it wasn't doing anything for me, but I was like, bro, I paid money for this, I'm gonna use it. So I just brushed it through and then put some more gel on. And then those are my little clump curls. And then, went through the rest of the section and did what I did for that part. When I first, as soon as I washed my hair out, of course you guys didn't see that because I feel like it wasn't a big deal, whatever. So as soon as I washed it out, I was just when I saw it, just no product in it, all the dye out, how it was just so bright. I mean, it's bright in the video. It literally looks how it looks, when I first saw it. And I wasn't feeling it, if I'm being real with y'all. I was just I don't know. I feel like it was just so yellow. And I'm like, bro, I'm kind of yellow. So it's I liked it. Now I love it. But at first I was I don't know, man. I don't know. I gotta grow into it, I guess. But with my other hair colors, I love them so much from jump. So it kind of was a surprise I didn't like this one so much. But now I do, so whatever. I'm just doing the same thing, taking some gel, putting in the little parts, brushing it through, and then taking the extra gel that I had on my hands from before and raking it through those parts. I don't know why I keep doing that dance. Now we're into a whole nother section. And then I super speed it up because, like, I want y'all to see it, but then again, like, y'all ain't trying to be here all day. So, same process. Wet my hair. Take them products. Put them in, rake it through. As you can see, like, some parts of my hair are platinum, and then other parts are, like, dark brown, maybe even black. So I've been thinking about going through my hair and re-dyeing, not even just to like make it even, but just to make it lighter, honestly. Because, you know, the whole thing now was like the hair paint dye, and I feel like, I mean, hair paint wax, girl, what am I talking about? So take the hair paint wax, because I like to dye my hair a lot in like different colors, and I want to see how different colors look on my skin. But I also don't want to commit to a color because, you know, if I dye my hair green, I really can't do much with it after. So if I just dye my hair like a platinum, is wear the platinum when I want to, and then, you know, do different crazy colors and just wash them out when I'm done. I feel like that's like really convenient. So I'm like stuck between keeping this color or should I go a shade lighter? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. That's how I know y'all be watching my videos. I really want to know your opinion in the comments. As this video progresses, you see that I slowly start to wake up. Go in that same little brush. I know y'all see that curl definition. They ain't go nowhere. All this dye. It did nothing to my hair. My hair a trooper, you know how I be. Making sure I get it as defined as possible. I usually don't care about definition, but I just felt like new color, kinda, you know, maybe put a little more effort into my hair. Cause I be throwing it out, or in a puff, like I got it right now. It's in a little poof, ponytail poof. I really need to stop playing to learn how to actually do styles with my hair. A little bit of foreshadowing for the next video. Taking off the hair off my, you know, fingers, just from finger detangling. I throw my hair in the toilet because my mom told me a while ago that, like, I guess somebody told her, I forgot, that if you throw your hair in the trash, that birds get to it and then use it as nests, and that's what causes headaches. And I already be getting enough headaches because of this pollen and stuff. I'm not trying to give no other reason to have headaches. It's probably bad for like my sewage system, but man, I'll be alright. I don't live in a house, I live in an apartment. And I know it's like a silly folklore, and I really don't believe in those. But just in case, you know. Dang, them curls are good. So now we're in the last section. Home stretch. Go ahead and get that gel through it. Switch it around. Ooh. And we done. Let me give you a whole little 360. Ooh. Y'all, my hair has grown so much in just a year. It's crazy. So, I'm gonna, you know, go out my day, let it dry. I'll be back. I'm back. And this is how it looks when it dried. And that's how I wore it out. All right, peace.